yesterday, the Brookings Institute pointed out that Donald Trump has been opposing these kinds of trade agreements as being bad deals going back 30 years. There's another article from Fusion that pointed out when he went on the Oprah Winfrey Show back in 1988, he was promoting his book, The Art of the Deal, and it turned to politics because he'd been taking out $100,000 ads in newspapers, New York Times and others, complaining about the way we were being treated in international trade agreements. This is something that's been going on a long time, and it seems to be the core issue for whether or not Donald Trump was going to run for president. He said, we let Japan come in and we dump everything right in our markets. They come over here, they sell their cars, their VCRs. Remember, this is back in 1988. He said they knocked the hell out of our companies, and hey, I have tremendous respect for the Japanese people. This led Oprah to ask him if he wanted to run for president, which he replied, well, probably not. But I do get tired of seeing the country ripped off. I just don't think I have the inclination to do it. He says, if it got so bad, I would never want to rule it out totally because I'm tired of seeing what's happening with this country. We're really making other people live like kings, and we're not. It's gotten a lot worse in this amount of time. And so when we look at Marco